Hello there, welcome to my channel. I'm Angela from artery.co.uk. A very quick video today. This is just if you have a stamping platform and it comes with magnets. I mean, that's all well and good. I mean, this Tim Holts one from Tonic Studios, these magnets are very strong. I did a little bit of a review on it. If you want to have a look at that video, I'll link it up there. Sorry, up there. In there somewhere. But what I thought was, because I have a Sizzix stamping platform, it has like sticky sheets, which I much prefer because it gives a better hold, because sometimes the magnets can move and slip around a bit. So I have 2 packs, I think, of these sticky grid sheets, and they're really good. So I thought what I could do is perhaps cut one down to go into my new stamping platform. So it's quite simple. Just take out one of the sheets. I'll leave a link to these. I think you can get smaller ones of these as well. I'm not sure. I will have a look. And all you need to do is just measure it. This is about 8.5. So I'll cut it down to 8.5. Don't suppose you could use that for something else. I'll have to think about that. So take your stamping platform. Any stamping platform would do, I imagine, as long as it's measured correctly. So I think the hardest part is going to be, because it's sticky, it has 2 sticky sheets, has one on the back and one on the front. So I think the hardest part about this is going to be actually sticking it on. So you peel it off and make sure it's in the corner. I mean, I don't suppose it has to be perfect. Sorry, I'm going to have to stand up and do this. That's it. That's looking nice and straight, thanks to these little ridges here. Then you can peel it off. I suppose this would help. Oh, this is the first time I've done this. I like the look of that already. And because well, I've lifted it up a bit there. So what you can do actually is, you could take some washi tape or some masking tape, which is what I'm going to do. If I can find it. I'm going to take some masking tape and I'm just going to put it on the side and on the bottom here, just so it lasts a little bit longer. But this should last a good while. It depends on how often you use it. I mean, it may not look the prettiest, but I love the stickiness of it. It's going to be much better for me for stamping. Just right on the end there. So yeah, it doesn't look the prettiest, but I do have as well, which I could possibly have used, but it's not quite as sticky. I do have this clear low-tack tape from like Scotch tape, which I could have used, but it isn't quite as sticky as the masking tape. So I'm just quite happy just to use that, and then I can stamp, I can line it up, I can put the stamp on, and when it's done, just lift it off. Yeah, I like that idea. I'll give it a little stamp. It's a new little stamp set. It's really cute. It's got little creatures on. So I'm going to bung this on. Oh, which way up is it? I'm not going to bother with it being too straight. I just wanted to make sure that everything's going to work as it should. And make sure you've got the clear side, because I'm using a clear stamp. Oh yes, that's lifted up beautifully. My favourite ink, Nuvo Hybrid. Absolutely love this ink. It just gives a beautiful crisp stamp. And the beauty about a stamping platform is if it doesn't stamp properly, which that has, you can just keep doing it again and again. I just love it. So there we go. And then you can just lift it up. And there we go. Yep, I am definitely pleased. I thought, well, actually I didn't so much think of this idea as I went searching for sticky grids for the Tim Holtz stamping platform, and a load of videos showed up where they'd used the Sizzix ones. So I thought, oh, I wonder if I can give that a go, because I knew I had some Sizzix sticky grid stampy things. So yeah, I'm really pleased about that. That's going to last me a good while now. And as much as I do like the magnets, they're not quite as strong as when you have the sticky mat down. So I'm not sure if this is going to be useful to anyone, but it's just a little hack there just to make your stamping process a bit easier. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye now.